Two fintech leaders, one essential comparison. Which one truly fits your business needs? On the left, Payoneer, global payments made easy. And on the right, Relay Financial, modern banking for SMBs. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what really matters. Each category gets a score, so you'll see exactly who wins in the end. The answer for 2025? It might surprise you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's check out our battle plan. Here's a little mind map of the categories we're putting head-to-head. International capabilities, fees and pricing, business banking features, card and payment options, security and compliance, and user experience and support. Yup, we're covering everything that actually matters if you run a business. Okay, kicking off with international capabilities. Payoneer is seriously global. Like, you can hold and get paid in over 30 currencies. Crazy, right? And they've got local bank details for all sorts of regions. So sending and receiving money almost anywhere is kinda a breeze. Oh, and cross-border payments? That's literally what they're built for. Just a heads up though, their conversion fees and international card charges can be a bit pricey, so watch out there. Now, let's switch gears to Relay Financial. Relay's really leaned into making banking easy for international founders, which is cool. They approve like 75 to 85% of them. They support international wires, and they're totally upfront about which countries can join, so no nasty surprises. The only hitch, you can't actually hold a bunch of currencies in your Relay account, and there are a few countries they just don't work with. So for this category, Payoneer definitely takes it. If you want true global flexibility, that's your pick. Moving on, fees and pricing. Let's start with Payoneer. If you're moving more than $2,000 a month, good news. No monthly fee, and no setup or sneaky maintenance charges for just using it. But here comes the plot twist. If you fall below that 2K mark in any month, it's an annual fee of $29.95. And ouch, those card foreign exchange fees? Up to 3.5%. Not ideal if you travel or do a lot of FX. Now for Relay Financial. Honestly, this is where Relay shines. And I mean no monthly fee for their regular plan, super clear charges, and 50 free ACH transfers every month. No hidden stuff. It's all up front. But, you know, if you want some of their advanced goodies, it's $30 per month, which is fair if you need them. So, cash-wise, Relay Financial is the winner here. Super transparent and just a more predictable pricing deal. All right, now, business banking features. Payoneer's cool if you're running stuff on marketplaces. They've got integrations and handle mass payouts. But, and this is a big but, you can't set up a true business bank account for your LLC there, just payment accounts. And if you're after automation or slick cash management tools, it's kinda basic. Now, Relay Financial. Dude, this is where it gets slick. You can set up like 20 checking accounts for budgeting, have up to 50 users per business with permissions, pay bills, invoice like a pro, the whole jam. QuickBooks and Xero integrations? All there. Downside, yeah, there's no virtual cards yet, and their API's still cooking. Reporting is basic, but honestly, they're still rolling out new stuff all the time. Relay totally takes the cake for business features. If you're managing an actual SMB in the US, this is what you want. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Relay only started up in 2019, and already thousands of US businesses bank with them, with no monthly fees for their standard plan? I mean, that kind of growth is wild. Next up, card and payment options. Payoneer lets you slap down a global MasterCard debit card, and you can do big batch payouts, plus get paid all sorts of ways online. Pretty sweet for freelancing and international gigs. But yeah, here's the catch. 3.5% fee on foreign transactions, and possibly an annual card fee, depending on the plan. Onto Relay. You get a physical Visa business debit card, that's always nice, plus zero liability protection, which feels safe. But right now, no virtual cards and no actual credit card option. So a little limited if you're looking for flexibility. In this case, Payoneer's wider options and global card edge it out. Payoneer wins for card and payment versatility. Moving right along, security and compliance. Payoneer's legit. Regulated as a money services business, and your funds are with partner banks, sometimes FDIC pass-through depending on where you are. But yeah, they don't actually have a direct banking license or FDIC coverage in most regions, so there's a little bit of squinting involved. Relay Financial partners up, so your funds get FDIC insurance up to $250,000 per business, which is comforting. Their permission system for team roles is wild, like 7 levels. Downside? Relay's kinda new, so not as battle-tested. Honestly, both seem pretty secure with some trade-offs. So for me, call this one a tie. Last stop, user experience and support. Payoneer's got a massive help center, global support, and you can use it on your phone pretty easily. But when it comes to feeling special, support's a little impersonal, and it's not like tailored to small and medium businesses. Relay is the opposite. Really clear communication, their team's super responsive, and they're constantly upgrading the app and mobile experience. Still ironing out a few tiny UX things, but it's growing fast. So in this category, Relay's absolutely the winner. Just feels more modern and focused on what SMBs actually want. All right, so now if you map out all those strengths side by side, Payoneer kind of dominates on global payments and flexibility, while Relay just nails transparency, business tools, and the homegrown banking experience. You can literally see where each one pulls ahead. So, want to hear it straight? Payoneer is crazy good if you want to make global payments, hold lots of currencies, or connect with e-commerce marketplaces. But if you're a US business that cares about no-nonsense pricing, slick banking tools, and amped-up customer support, Relay Financial is the way to go. Honestly, pick Payoneer if you're international, grab Relay if you're running an SMB stateside. Was this helpful for you? If you want to stay plugged in for the latest business banking and fintech reviews in 2025, hit that